The Galactic Federation, a group of benevolent star nations, stands united against the Alpha Draconis.
The balance on Ee-Arth is shifting. The Alpha Draconis tighten their grip, and humanity's awakening teeters on the edge of suppression. We must act.
High Chancellor, the crash of our Ebon ship at Roswell now offers an opportunity to aid Ee-Arth, if we act swiftly before the Draconis obliterate the evidence.
The Federation's protocols require us to respect their sovereignty. Yet, the Draconis' interference threatens balance. What solutions does your species propose?
These sacred botanicals can aid humanity in transcending fear and reclaiming their spiritual sovereignty. Introduced gradually, they will help dissolve the draconian systems of control.
And star seeds? Federation emissaries could incarnate among humanity, subtly guiding their consciousness toward awakening.
Yes, star seeds will be sent, carrying fragments of higher vibrational knowledge to inspire growth and unity. Together with the sacred botanicals, they offer a multidimensional path to liberation.
The awakened must be guided subtly. How do we protect them from Draconis retaliation?
We shall establish interdimensional safe zones, protected by frequency barriers. Aravin, re-establish operations on Ee-Arth immediately.
It will be done, High Chancellor.
High Chancellor, the Draconis will not yield easily. Humanity's potential is vast, but their adversaries are cunning. I will oversee these efforts personally.
Your vigilance honors us, vile Taurath. Together, we shall guide Ee-Arth through this critical juncture.